In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Slack in just a few minutes. This is a powerful setup that helps you improve team communication, streamline project updates, and keep everything connected in one place. So let's get started. First, head over to your Jira account. Open your browser and go to the Jira website, then log in with your credentials. You can sign in with Google if that option is available, which makes the process faster and easier. Once you're inside Jira, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand side menu and find the section labeled Apps. Click on it. This is where Jira allows you to connect with third-party tools and integrations. Next, select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can search for different tools that extend Jira's functionality. In the search bar, type Slack Integration. You'll see several results, but the one you need is typically Slack Integration for Jira, which connects both platforms and allows them to work together seamlessly. Once you find it, click on the app to open its details page. From there, select Try It Free or Install. This will begin the setup process. You may be asked to choose the Jira site you want to connect, so make sure you select the correct workspace your team is using. After selecting your site, select Review to double-check your configuration. This step ensures everything is set up correctly before final installation. Then proceed with the installation by following the on-screen prompts. You may need to authorize permissions so Jira and Slack can communicate with each other properly. Once everything is complete, your Jira and Slack accounts will be successfully integrated. At this point, you can start linking Jira projects to Slack channels, receiving real-time notifications, and even creating or updating issues directly from Slack. This integration is extremely useful because it reduces the need to constantly switch between tools and helps your team stay updated instantly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.